day 8 and right now we are going for lunch with my Fuppi's children. So let's go and have lunch. Come along with me.
Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How would you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, welcome to Dubai.
Thank you. अच्छा चलो अपन मिलेंगे चलो. Where are we going now?
We are going. We have no idea.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Atlantis. We have no clue where we are going.
Going somewhere.
Hello?
We are going to Jumeirah side.
This is Kite Beach because people use this beach for kite surfing and you can see the kites there on the left. It's a very popular beach in
Wow.
Dubai.
Told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. When you ask my name, I panic. So out of my league. Anybody was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
This is Burj Al Arab. When I was here, it was there, but I'm seeing it after a long time. It's still beautiful. इस टावर को द व्यू कहते हैं, आई थिंक सो. और यहाँ से पाम दुबई का परफेक्ट व्यू मिलता है. एंट्री टिकट्स हैं एंड यू नीड टू बुक इन एडवांस.
Side of Atlantis.
Yay!
And we see Dubai Eye. Go there. Photographer there.
There, videographer there.
The year is 2040. Let's go on a journey through the city. Follow me.
water island, and we just finished watching a drone show, and it was amazing. Really, it was amazing. Which flavor is that?
This is Spanish latte and this is cotton candy.
Thank you, Appa, for the dinner. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you for everything. Lunch. Thank you for everything.
Yes, enjoy, have fun in Dubai.
Thank you. इसके बाद हमने मेरे मम्मी के मामू की बेटी के वहाँ डिनर किया, एंड आवर डे 8 ended like this. That's all for day 8. Please hit on that subscribe button and help me increase my subscribers.